Doggies have to wait. Doggies do. They have to do a lot of waiting. That's what dogs do. They do a lot of waiting. They wait and they wait and they wait and they get cold. And their little butts freeze off. They do. Come on. You gotta get going, Winston. Winston, you had time to pee on that tree. Should have peed earlier. Yeah, you gotta be quicker peeing on things. Come on, Brutus. Out of there, Brutus. You're gonna run over Jewel if you don't get out of there. Come on, Brutus. Let's go. Come on. Gotta get running or you freeze. Come on, doggies. Doggies gotta go. Doggies gotta go. Doggies gotta go. Gotta chase some squirrels. I don't want to go that. Let's go straight. Come on, let's go straight. Winston, want to go straight? Oh, there goes the critter. Oh, no, there's a critter. There goes the critters. We gotta get those critters. Come on, let's go. We gotta go. Oh, there goes a whole bunch of critters. You're missing all the critters. Look at all those deer. There's like 100 deer up there. There goes a deer right in front of your faces. Right in front of your doggy faces, a deer went by. There goes a deer right in front of us. It's a big fat deerie. No, we're not going off-road. We have to stay on the trail. And the deer's going this way. Come on, gotta go this way. This is the trail, I think. We're probably gonna be lost out here. Oh no. Oh no, are we lost already? I don't think we're lost, are we? Are we lost already, Brutus? Oh well. Come on, we gotta get going. Come on, guys. I gotta fix the brake, so I have a rear brake. I gotta get that working again. I need to replace this whole thing again. Keep breaking these brakes. Keep breaking the brake. Okay, that's not any better. Get warm my hands on these brakes, maybe. Oh, I think we're gonna have to use the fingers, the actual fingers, to get this to work. Okay, I think this is the trail. Oh well, we get lost. Come on, let's go. Come on. Doggies never get lost, do they? Doggies never get lost. I think we're lost. I think the trail's over there. That's what I think. Oh well. No, I don't think the trail's there. That don't look like a trail to me. That looks like a straight drop off. Come on, we're going back this way, Brutus. You're the one that's leading. Why'd you get us lost? Come on, let's keep going. Come on. I don't know. I think it's over the other way. I think this is a deer trail. We don't like deer trails, do we, Jewel? No, Jewel says deer trails are bad. Oh, doggy! Doggy, Brutus! Huh. I don't understand where it went. Okay, let's just go back the way we came. Come on, this must not be the trail. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Winston, stop sniffing. You've been sniffing all day. You're gonna freeze your sniffer. Come on, let's get going. I already froze my sniffer. Now I got rear brakes. Yay! Come on, let's keep going this way. Let's just go this way. I wish they would have made the trail out this direction. Come on, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Where are you guys going? Let's see. Let's go down this way. I think there's, well, what do you think? You think there's deer up this way? I don't, oh, whoa. Oh, oh. Ah. Oh, owie. I think it broke your human. Doggies, hey, no, don't go without me. I gotta get up. I gotta get up. I'm stuck. Doggies. Doggies. What are you doggies doing? Oh, poor doggies. Whew. Winston. Oh, Winston gotta be good. Let's see. Hope it didn't hurt the bike. Okay, doggies, let's keep going. Oh, this lousy branch. Come on, dog, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pull, 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 pull. Let's keep going. Be good, dogs. Dogs have to be good. Come on, dogs, let's go straight. Come on, doggies. Doggy, 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 doggy. You gotta go straight. Whew. Now if we go that way, we go up into the hills and slip and slide. I don't know. What do we want to do, doggies? Let's go. Come on, doggies. Come on. Come on, doggies. Let's go. We gotta go. We gotta go. Let's just go up in the hills. What do doggies think? Doggies think we should go in the hills? I think we should go up in the hills. Oh, doggy, doggy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, come on. Let's go. Come on. Up in the hills we go. Don't run into a tree. The doggies are crazy doggies today. Today's doggies are the craziest. Whoa, we're gonna fall over. We're gonna go up in the big hills. Come on, doggies. Come on. Get going, doggies. Doggies have to go. You gotta catch those deeries. You gotta catch a deerie. You gotta get going to catch deeries.